watch me live on Wazobia TV, still on the street channels on Wazobia TV. As I enter now, see and say, the angle where all this people they not too good. I beg federal government anywhere you did, they could not try to intervene. Not really good. Back in why I say, Alpha bros, we never call anybody for this poll.
Never call anybody.
So we like the way the poll be.
No, bro, the polls don't make sense at all. It don't make sense.
The poll go so far.
I swear.
Nah, because the way they see this thing now, cameraman pick am abeg. The way they see this poll now, now the wire they hold am. And the wire they hold am, the up one, they hold am, and anything when make am cut now, human life not safe here at all. Madam, good afternoon. How you doing?
Yes, sir.
Well, how you doing now?
I'm fine, thank you.
I was Zobia TV with this. You go help me speak pidgin English.
Okay.
See this pool. How long this pool don't be like this?
Me, I don't know. It's been... I don't know.
You don't know? You know they stay this area?
I know they stay this area. I just be visitor here.
Yeah, what you come visit? Who you come visit?
I come visit my friend, yes. Yeah.
Come now, don't run. I go pursue you. I go pursue you. The one go to pursue you, yeah. If you run. How long this pool don't there?
We are coming from the same place, so.
How now two will come from the same place? Now the same mama born now?
No.
Eh?
No.
How long this pool don't there like this?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Well, come on. Okay, good afternoon.
Fine.
Wazobia TV now be this.
Okay.
You get what you do your front now. See this pool.
This poll, but you don't tell why they even look for Wazobia people. Make they come tell NEPA people, make they come remove it because we they gather here in the evening. We they gather well. If you come in the evening, you will see people gather well. Yeah. And the fear we say if this in fall, in short, you know we can't how many people.
Which area this pool dey now? Which area so that NEPA people go fit come?
You mean the office?
Yeah, this place now. When
this is Kuba Market.
Kuba Market.
Metama Kuba Market.
Okay, Metama Kuba Market.
Yes.
Now that this pool dey now.
Yes.
So NEPA people need to come there.
Yeah. No be say they need. No.
Una dey here. Anywhere una dey. PACN have been a wetin they call una. I don't know the kind name that they call una. Any name that they call una PACN have been a NEPA. Make una dey run corner now. Oh yes.
No. Tell them say to make them come.
Now.
Remove the.
And we not dey beg una and I work. It's your responsibility. No. Come and get out from that office and come here. What's wrong with you? Think I'm joking. Na joke I dey.
Okay.
All right. So what do you think say? But since why you never report? And are you under your?
You know say I dey report, but as they take me, you know say when I as an opposition, if I report, they no go listen to me well.
So you be opposition?
I'm opposition to the government.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you are.
I always attack them. Anything what they do, I always query.
You always query them.
Query them. Just.
So nothing that they do for your eye.
I say I'm a strong opposition. Yes.
What is your name?
My name is Mr. Enugu.
Mr. Enugu?
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, for the Watch Me Live from Wazobia Road Show Street here, and my name is MC Shaggy. I did for Kuba Metama Market, abi?
Yeah, Kuba Village.
Kuba Village now, and this pool when they're very, very dangerous.
It's not more than dangerous.
More than dangerous. Hey, where you come out for that place? Most people they rest on top. If you see the angle of this thing, not today good at all. This wood don't die now. This wood don't die. Thing don't go now. Madam, how far are you there? What you need to talk about this pool?
They need to change them. They need to change the pool, yes.
They need to change the pool.
Of course, yes.
I don't make any efforts.
Really, I don't know. But the NEPA people, they come here, they see them by themselves now.
Even NEPA people, they come here?
Yes, and then they come because this pole don't fall before. Yeah. So they come arrange them like this.
Okay. So now they arrange them like they manage them. If you watch, the wood don't even too strong, sir. The wood don't strong too much. This pole don't go. This pole don't go. How far? Madam, how far? Madam, how long? Give me a five. Woman.
And they catch up for TSTV steady. They do pack for Lagos.
TSTV now, Go TV. I will record. Sit down. Madam, talk now. If you deaf and dumb.
What you go talk?
Madam, this pool went there for this place. One I never complain give NEPA.
What?
This pool.
Pool.
The pool?
The pool?
Oh, as in the auntie don't chop, Baba?
The pool.
No. They don't first change them.
Talk. They don't
first do them before.
Now you don't
They don't first do them before. But the thing be like as a rainy season come now, the thing can't they bend more and more. Yes.
And this thing is very risky.
Very, very risky.
Very risky because the way say the thing carry overhead.
Yes.
Carry overhead, can't carry body head too. Can't carry hangover on. So if this thing fall now, say now life's here.
Now wahala.
Life's here go. All these guys they do shakara now. And so the electric will just gum the worker.
I beg you.
And it's not good.
No good though.
I'll share something for you. What do you want my share for you?
I need
will share something for you.
I need polo off face cap. May I say they do kai.
Go do an
T-shirt. Even this kind bag. May I say they pack.
But that our night sometimes mago dey inside.
The light.
Yes, the money where we dey gather now, they're too much. The bill where they submit us now.
The NEPA bill.
The NEPA bill. It's too much.
Now they get light.
No light. Just a day. They share them.
They share the
They
light.
share the night. But
Sometimes
after
they just flash and come, take and go.
yes.
No say most
Even
NEPA
a day,
man, they work as
sometimes a
cameraman,
day we know
flash
we
and
see.
take. No be so.
Bad boy.
That's so that.
The weather
now
I
your
am saying
picking
that
with this.
money,
It
money
resemble
too
you.
much.
Resemble you.
So
You
now
know they
just-
talk.
What you come talk for the light?
I seen just doing. I come to all those. Oh, you both where they sell clothes. Wait. I go bring her. Come. Make it there, bros. Afana. Bros, good afternoon. Afa, Wazobia. Afa. Bros, what you need to talk about this light? This NEPA here.
NEPA project.
Sian. The one in Ben here.
No, what is going on is market already, or is already in the market, and they have to do something about it because it's very risky.
Very risky.
Once, if there is any wind, let's say if wind blow, it will scatter many things and something will
And I
happen.
hear
in the
say
market.
winds they blow here well. Charlie, when people carry rain won't fall.
Yeah.
And they're very dangerous.
It's very dangerous.
How you dey see light for this area? When they get light,
Not much like that. They are trying, but not much.
they are trying a bit.
Yeah.
All right, no wahala. Break it there, solid the matter. Oh shit, feel it. What do you have to say about this NEPA?
I don't know about, okay, this NEPA people.
You bend now, what for?
The NEPA people have to say to it and they should report to the management now. That's the Minister for Power. He should do something about it.
Minister of Darkness.
No, power.
Minister of Darkness. You are not giving us light. We are having Minister of Power. What kind of Minister of Power? It's Minister of Darkness. My guy come, I beg now. You are the fine since. You dey pass this place. What you get to talk about this pole?
Which pole?
This pole.
The pole don't bend now.
Don't bend finish. What you get to talk about her?
Now make beg Baba make them help us do the pole now.
Now they get light here.
But the light, be like saying a crude oil. Though.
Now crude oil.
I dey tell you to get the light na wahala. I no go lie you.
That kind of thing. You dey watch Wazobia abi?
By the grace of God, me and Wazobia fan. Even the jingle I do for Willy Willy, then inside my phone now like that they talk to me.
Correct. Break it there if you watch me live from Wazobia TV. Still on the straight channel with MC Shaggy. My name remains MC Shaggy, you know, Commander of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Now like this I tell our federal government or whatever who they in charge of NEPA for this Kubwa, Maitama area. Try, see this pole. You know good. When I can't change the pole. If you see that pole now, that pole is dead. That pole is dead. There's no life in that pole. People even fear to rest on her. That pole is dead. That pole is dead. Madam, that pole is dead. Madam, where are you running to? You want to run into tomatoes? That pole is dead. All right, still on the matter, and I saw some people they fear camera because you know that kind of thing. And at least until Rabbi show up, and I don't finish.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.